This lesson is on solving systems of linear inequalities, similar to linear systems of equations, but now we're working with inequalities. So the how-to. Let's not forget from linear inequalities just individually our boundary lines. Okay? If there is a less than or greater than sign, the line itself is dashed. Because it doesn't include the points on the line. If it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it is a solid line because it does include the points on that line. And then our shading. If it's less than or equal to, it's everything shaded below. So shade below the line. And then greater than or equal to, we're going to shade above the line. Good, so let's see. What are solutions to a system of linear inequalities? Well, there's not just one point where these things are going to quote unquote intersect, okay? It's where the shading overlaps. So all coordinates in the region shaded by both inequalities. So that's where they overlap. So we can see this solid line is all shaded down, and then this dotted line is all shaded down, but the overlapping area is this region in here because it's double shaded essentially. All right, and then we also need to remember that our solutions includes the solid line bordering the double shaded region. So that being said, so this is the solid line bordering the double shaded region. That is a solution. However, this, because it's on the dashed line, would not be a solution. It's all the points in here and what is the border of the solid line. So then let's look at some examples. First thing we need to do is graph the system, and then we're going to determine which of the following are solutions. So have to put this in slope-intercept form, which turns into y is greater than or equal to divided by 3, so 1/3 x, divide 6 by 3 plus 2. And let's graph that line, starting at +2. I'm going up 1, right 3, or down 1, and left 3. My line is going to be solid because I have an or equals to sign. Okay, and I'm going to shade y is greater than, so I'm going to shade everything above the line. You can do that with a pencil as well. All right, then let's turn this one into slope-intercept form. I have to subtract 2x from both sides, so y is greater than, subtracting 2x over, and then leave that -5. So start at -5. And I'm following the slope. It's -2 over 1, so up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. And now this is a dashed line because I don't have an or equals to sign. And then my shading, it's y is greater than this, so it's everything above. Okay. So then which of these following are solutions? Negative 5, 1, so left 5, 3, 4, 5, up 1 is not in that double shaded region. So this is a no. That's this point right here. That's a no, it's not in the double shaded region. Negative 2, 4, left 2, up 2, 3, 4. That point is in the double shaded region. So it is definitely going to be a solution. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This point is on a solid line, and it does border that double shaded region, so yes, because it's on a solid line, so yes. So then 2, negative 1, right 2, down 1. That point is not in the double shaded region, so that's a no. And then negative 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This point is no because it's on a dashed line. So even though it's bordering this double shaded region, it's on the dashed line, so it does not include that point, so that's a no. Graph this second part, or this second line. We have to turn this into slope-intercept form. So then that would give us, I'll bring it down here actually, 3y is less than, add over at 2x, and then leave that minus 3. And then I have to divide by 3, so y is less than 2/3 x minus 1. And let's graph that. We're at negative 1, going rise 2, run 2, 3. Rise 2, run 2, 3. Or you could have gone down 2, left 2, 3. Down 2, left 2, 3. This is a dashed line. And then our shading, its y is less than that, so it's everything below the line. So the second line is x is less than 3. Well, that's where this crosses the x-axis. This is a vertical line. The slope is undefined. So we're going on the x-axis to positive 3. And it's a vertical line. There is no slope. And it is dashed because there is no equals to sign. And then our shading, x is everything less than that. When you're looking at a vertical line, and you're talking about the x-axis, these are going to be more positive numbers, so less than is everything to the left. So then it's everything here. And again, we're focused on the double shaded region. So negative 2, negative 1, left 2, down 1. Oh, excuse me, starting at the origin. Left 2, down 1. That's not in your double shaded, it's just in the purple. Positive 1, negative 2 is a yes. That's in that double shaded area. 3, 1 is a no because it's on the dashed line. Actually, they're both dashed, so that's a no. 2, negative 5 is a yes. 1, 2, 3. Because it is in that double shaded region. And then 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, up 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a no because it's on the dashed line. So go ahead and pause the video to try examples 3 and 4, and then you can unpause it when you're ready to see if you got it right. Please really do pause it and try. Slope-intercept form. 4y is greater than x minus 8. Divide by 4. Y is greater than 1/4 x minus 2. Down at -2. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, left 2, 3, 4. This is a dashed line. Okay. And it's y is greater than this, so it's everything above the line. The second one, y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 1, right 1 is your slope, because that's an invisible -1 over 1. Your line is solid because it does include that equals to sign, that or equal to. And then your shading. Y is less than all this stuff, so it's everything smaller. So this is kind of your double shaded region in here. Are they solutions? -3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's a yes. -1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a yes because it's on the solid border. Solid line, it borders the double shaded. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 0. That is also a yes because it's on the solid border. 0, -2, that's a no because it's on the dashed border. And then 2, -4, that's no because it's only in the purple region. And the last one that you should have already tried, I'm going to solve that first one. 2y, subtracting that 5x over, plus 8. We're going to divide by 2. Y is greater than -5/2 x plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is where we start. Going down 5, right 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2. This is a dashed line because there's no equal sign. Sorry about that. And our shading, y is greater than this, so it's everything above your line. And then our next is y is less than or equal to 4. The slope here is 0. There is no x. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. So we're at +4. So it's right here. And there is no slope. That means this is a horizontal line. And it is solid because it has the or equals to. And you're shading everything. It's less than or equal to, so down. Are they solutions? -1, -3, no. -3, +4, no, because it's not on the double shaded border. That would be over here, even though it's on the solid line. 2, 2, yes. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is no because it's on the dashed. And then 4, 0 is a yes.